Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your home screen from looking like this, where you have this hodgepodge of apps and folders, into something that looks like this, which is very neat and very clean, very simple, yet you get all your apps in these folders. So you can do this by downloading an app called Folder Widget, which looks like this, and you can download it from the Play Store. Once you have this app downloaded, you can create some gorgeous folders with apps. So if we go in here, and by the way, this app comes in the freemium version, which means that you can use some features for free, but if you want to unlock the whole experience, you need to pay for this app. Because I have this fully unlocked, I'm going to show you all the features that a fully unlocked app provides you with. So the first thing you will do is that you will add a widget, and now you have all these different widget styles in this app. You even get this circular one, you have a scroll one, so you have a grid and you can scroll your apps. You can add as many apps you want. I'm going to select this one, 3x3, press next. On the next screen you can now add apps, but there's a fun feature here. You can tap this button here and switch from apps to app shortcuts, system settings, pop-up widgets, websites, and even custom shortcuts. So this app gives you a lot of flexibility as to what is it that you can put in your folder widgets. If you go in app shortcuts, you can see that we have a lot of shortcuts available to us to add in these widgets, and then we have some system settings like app search, auto rotate, battery optimization, so you can have these system shortcuts in your folders. And then we have some websites. You can add your websites here, and then you can also create some custom shortcuts. Now I'm not going to go in much detail here, so let's keep it into the apps. So let's say I want to add 6 apps, and then the rest I want to add some system settings. So I'm going to add battery saver, Bluetooth, and battery optimization. So here you can also see that you can mix these things up. You're not just limited to apps or system shortcuts, you can mix it up. Now once you have done this, now you can have some fun with this folder. Next option, once you have created this, you can still change the folder style. You can go from 3x3 to 2x2, and then all the remaining apps will be stacked in the corner here. So there are a lot of options for you to explore here, but this opens up with the paid version of the app. With a limited version, you will not have all of this functionality. But anyways, we'll come back to 3x3. Now here you can show the name of the apps, or you can remove it because then it will mess up the icons. Show more when overflow, so you can do that as well. So if you have more apps, they will be stacked in the corner. You can also set up an overflow indicator. Tap icon to open folder. Notification dot, so you can do that. And here you can also scale the icon sizes and play around with them. So once you're done with these settings, we'll move on to the next one. So here you can customize the background, so you can create an auto dark background for the folder. You can give it a folder color. You can make it all black if you want. Then we have folder image. You can add images from your gallery, and then you can change the corner radius. You can change that. And then we have margins. You can increase or decrease the margin size. Let me change the folder color because otherwise it's not visible. So you can change the folder margins and the corner. Next we have folder name visible, whether you want to have this name here or not. So we're going to remove that or not. I don't like the corner thing here, so let's make it a little bit less here. So then we have folder name shadow, whether you want it or not. I don't want the name, I don't want the shadow. So once you have removed that, all the settings go away. But if you enable it, you can then folder name action, which will open folder, settings, open folder, refresh folder, or none. So you can even add settings to the folder name, so that's really cool. Folder name color, folder name font, and folder name size. So you can enable all these settings. So that's how you can create and configure one widget. And then the last step is to add it to your home screen. So it's been added. We'll go back, and there it is, our folder. Now obviously it doesn't look really cool because icons are too big, but then you can long press on it, go in settings, reduce the icon size. So you can play around with it, you can configure it further just the way you like it, and once you're happy with it, save it, and the settings will apply on your folder, and you can have multiple folders. On Galaxy phones, you can create stacked folders as well. So you can create a stack and then you can add another folder widget from here. This is the one. So you can add another folder widget and customize it. And in that way, you can have a lot of apps stacked together in these folder widgets. And that is how you can create a beautiful interface for your home screen. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've liked this one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.